Hey guys, today I'm actually going to be showing you how I make my favorite chai tea lattes. I am obsessed with oat milk chai tea lattes, and all the things that I use, I'll make sure to link it down below, and let's go from there. I just explained all of this and I thought I was recording, but alas, I wasn't. So first things first, you're gonna be taking your chai tea. And for this chai tea in particular, you're gonna be using 2 tablespoons. So I have a designated tablespoon that I use for my chai tea. Next thing that you're gonna be prepping is gonna be the oat milk. So I'm gonna take my oat milk right here, and we're gonna take a cup. So you're gonna do a cup of oat milk to every 2 tablespoons of chai tea. Of course, you gotta shake it up. I have already made an entire, like, what is this, gallon container worth of oat milks worth of chai tea lattes. So this is my second container going around, so I have to open this one.
Stop me. Stop me. Tell me stop.
I know this is not good for your teeth, but it's also not good for my nails. So. Pop the lid on. Turn it on. We're gonna boil some water, and then we'll just put a quick splash of it in here.
Drip, drip, whoop, splash.
Just a baby splash of water. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna stir this bad boy up. Final step is you're gonna take that freshly steamed milk into the mug, and if you can do something cool with the foam, go right ahead. I'm not a barista, so that's all you're gonna get from me. And there you have it, my favorite chai tea latte at home. All the ingredients, like I said, will be listed down below and all the details. Make sure to leave a comment, send me a DM, post it on your Instagram story and tag me if you guys end up trying this. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. If you guys have anything special that you do your chai tea latte or home latte recipes, let me know, because your girl has nothing else to do besides try all the lattes. I can just try lattes all day long. So send me all your favorite ingredients, send me all of your favorite things. Let's check it out. I'm thinking next I'm gonna learn how to make a matcha latte, so stay tuned. Bye guys.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.